Hello everyone, this is Gaetana Berta and the channel is Learn English with Gaetana. Today is my second time to be outside my office, and there is a cow behind me as you can see. Do you like cows? I love cows, and there are about 4 calves behind it. አራት ጥጆች ይታያቸዋል ሩቅ መሰለኝ ከኋላ Okay, behind me there is a mountain. That mountain is Tosa Mountain. You can see it. So it's amazing. It's fascinating. በጣም ደስ የሚል እይታ ነው ያለው። ዛሬ ለሁለተኛ ጊዜ ከቢሮ ውጪ ነው። So, have you subscribed to my channel? If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do it right now. Today we are going to see talking about the future. If something is going to happen in the future, we need to use future tenses in order to talk about that event or that situation. ስለ ወደፊቱ ለማውራት ቴንስ የምንጠቀማቸው ቴንሶች አሉ። As you can see, I am wearing a beanie. ዛሬ ቢኒ ነው የለበስኩት። እዚህ ጋር ይቺ ቢኒ ትባላለች። ይቺ ልብስ B-E-N-E-I-E. That is beanie. Actually the weather is not cold, but I don't feel 100%. I have a bad headache. ዛሬ አየሩ ያናከል አይደለም። አሁን it is sunny as you can see. ፀሐያማ ነው። ነገር ግን ራሴን ትንሽ ስላመመኝ ነው ለዛ ነው የለበስኩት ይሄን። I don't feel 100%. Look, if someone doesn't feel 100%, that means he or she is ill. ለምሳሌ አንድ ሰው I don't feel 100% ካለ ምንድነው ማለት ነው? አሞታል ማለት ነው። Look at the cow. Have you seen her? She is feeding on the grass. Yeah. It is amazing. So, talking about the future, let me ask you a question. I think ስለ ወደፊቱ ለማውራት what tenses do you use to talk about the future? There are a few tenses that we can use to talk about the future. All future tenses are used to talk about the future. Simple future tense, future continuous, future perfect tense, and future perfect continuous. All those tenses are used to talk about the future. ስለ ወደፊቱ ለማውራት እነዚህን ቴንሶች እንጠቀማለን። አራቱንም የfuture tense አይነቶች እንጠቀማለን። In addition to future tenses, we can use the following tenses in order to talk about the future. ስለ ወደፊቱ ለማውራት ከነዚህ ከአራቱ በተጨማሪ የሚከተሉትን መጠቀም እንችላለን። The first one is simple future. Simple present tense. Simple present tense. In addition to using simple future, future continuous, future perfect tense, and future perfect continuous, we can use simple present tense to talk about the future. It seems weird, ለየት ያለ ነገር ግን simple futureንም ስለ ወደፊቱ ለማውራት እንጠቀማለን። እንዲሁም sometimes simple present tense is known as a timetable future tense. Simple present tense ምን ተብሎ አንዳንድ ጊዜ ይገለጻል? Timetable future tense ይባላል። If something is to happen based on the future, based on a schedule or based on a timetable, you can use simple present tense to talk about that activity or that future event. Timetable ካላችሁ ስለዛ ወደፊት happen የሚያደርግ ከሆነ የጊዜ ሰሌዳ ካላችሁ simple present tense መጠቀም ትችላላችሁ። The next one is present continuous. Present continuous is used to talk about future events, especially present continuous is sometimes called a diary future tense ይባላል። አንዳንድ ጊዜ present continuous ምን ተብሎ ሊጠራ ይችላል? A diary future tense ይባላል። we mostly use present continuous in order to talk about future arrangements. ከሆነ ሰው ጋር ወደፊት ቀጠሮ ከያዝን ነገ ወይንም ከነገ ወዲያ ለመገናኘት ማን መጠቀም ትችላላችሁ? present continuous መጠቀም ትችላላችሁ። ሌላ ጊዜ እያንዳንዱን እናያለን። simple present tense እንዴት ስለወደፊቱ እንደሚያገለግል፣ present continuous እንዴት ስለወደፊቱ እንደሚያገለግል እናወራለን። In addition, we can use the be going to pattern to talk about the future. Be going to plus V1. This sentence structure is also used to talk about the future. But when? How can we use be going to pattern to talk about the future? እንዴት አድርገን ነው የምንጠቀመው be going to pattern? It's very simple. Firstly, what does be mean? Be ማለት ምን ማለት ነው? Simply, be means auxiliary verb to be. For example, is auxiliary verb to be, am is auxiliary verb to be, are is auxiliary verb to be, was or were, be being been. All these words are called auxiliary verb to be. But in order to talk about the future, we are not going to use was or were. ስለወደፊቱ ለማውራት ግን wasን ወይንም wereን plus going to plus v1ን አንጠቀም። የምንጠቀመው ምንድነው? We have to use is plus going to plus v1, am going to plus v1, are going to plus v1ን እንጠቀማለን ማለት ነው። If your subject is, you have to use is. If your subject is singular, we have to use is going to plus v1. ላማዝች ጋር መጣችላችሁ አያቻ? There are a lot of cows behind her. Yeah, they are coming. So, whenever the subject is singular, the auxiliary verb to be is plus going to plus v1 must be used. In addition, if your subject is I, auxiliary verb to be am plus going to plus v1 must be used. In addition, if your subject is plural, there must be are going to plus v1 ን መጠቀም አለብን ማለት ነው። So, is going to plus v1, am going to plus v1, are going to plus v1 ማለት ነው። Okay, so when okay ይቅርታ ላሞቹን ወደዛ በላቸው እያለኝ ነው። አንድ ጊዜ እንትን ልበልለት። Look, there are a lot of cows here. Yeah, they are grazing. They are grazing the grass. They are feeding on the grass, I think. Hit. Hit it. So, when do we use be going to plus v1? Be going to plus v1 is used when you want to predict based on present evidence. Look, if you want to make a prediction based on present evidence, you can use a be going to pattern. ያ ማለት እጃችሁ ላይ የሆነ ማስረጃ ኖሯችሁ በዛ ማስረጃ መሰረት ስለወደፊቱ መገመት ብትፈልጉ ምን መጠቀም ትችላላችሁ? be going to plus v1 ን መጠቀም ትችላላችሁ። Look guys, if you don't have any present evidence, ምንም እጃችሁ ላይ ማስረጃ ከሌለ ግን it is advisable to use will plus v1. ምንም አይነት ማስረጃ እጃችን ላይ ከሌለ ምን መጠቀም እንችላለን? ይመከራ will plus v1 መጠቀም ትችላላችሁ። However, let's assume you have a lot of evidences, but if you want to make a prediction, you can use the be going to pattern. Be going to plus v1 pattern መጠቀም ትችላላችሁ ነው። ምሳሌ ልስጣችሁ እስኪ። By the way, I have a cheat sheet. Do you know cheat sheet? አጤራራ እንደማለት ነው cheat sheet. Okay, so the first one is I am starved. Look guys, when you want to make a prediction based on evidence, you may have two clauses, okay? How many clauses? 2 clauses. The first clause is an evidence and the second one is a future prediction or a prediction. ሁለት አረፍተ ነገሮች ሊኖራችሁ ይችላል እዚህ ጋር። የመጀመሪያውን አረፍተ ነገር እንደምን ትጠቀሙታላችሁ? እንደ ኤቪደንስ ትጠቀሙታላችሁ። የሁለተኛውን አረፍተ ነገር ደግሞ እንደ ፕሪዲክሽን ትጠቀማላችሁ። ፕሪዲክሽናችሁ ግን ወይንም የሁለተኛው አረፍተ ነገር በመጻፍ አለበት፣ በቢ ጎይንግ ቱ መጻፍ አለበት። Look guys, the cows are big. በጣም ትልልቅ ላሞች ናቸው። በጣም ደስ ይላሉ። Look. Okay, so always the second clause or your prediction must be written in be going to pattern. So I am starved. I am starved is your evidence. መራባችሁ ምንድነው? ኤቪደንሳችሁ ነው። I am starved is your present evidence. And then if you want to make a prediction what is going to happen in the future, your sentence must be written in be going to pattern. So you can say I am starved, so I am going to eat 5 pieces of injera. You know, injera is a staple food in Ethiopia. ስለዚህ በጣም ርቦኛል፣ መራቤ ለኔ ማስረጃዬ ነው። ስለዚህ ኔክስት ምን ሀፕን ሊያደርግ ይችላል የሚለው ለመገመት ምን እላለሁ? I am going to eat 5 pieces of injera. 5 እንጀራ ልበላ እችላለሁ የሚል ግምት መጠቀም መጻፍ ትችላላችሁ ነው። So don't forget, you know, I am starved is your present evidence and I am going to eat 5 pieces of injera is your prediction. As you can see, it is written with the structure of be going to plus v1. እንደምትመለከቱት በምንድን ነው የተጻፈው? በbe going to plus v1 ነው የተጻፈው። ስለዚህ ምክንያታችሁ ያ ምንድነው? ፕሪዲክሽናችሁ ስለሆነ ነው። Another example, there are a lot of black clouds in the sky. Actually it is blue. አሁን ሰማው ምንድነው? It is extremely blue. It's blue. But let's assume, you know, it is cloudy. ዛሬ ዳመናማ ነው ብለን እናስብ እስኪ። ዳመናማ ነው ብለን እናስብ። በጣም ጥቁር የሆነ ዳመና አለ። ስለዚህ ቀጣይ ምን ሀፕን ሊያደርግ ይችላል ብለን መገመት ከፈለግን you have to use or you have to write your sentence by using the be going to pattern. So there are a lot of clouds in the sky. This is your first clause. This is your evidence. ይሄ ማስረጃችሁ ነው። ስለዚህ next ምን ሀፕን ሊያደርግ ይችላል የሚለው ለመገመት you can use the be going to pattern. So you can say it is going to rain ትላላችሁ ማለት ነው። So it is going to rain is your prediction, your future prediction አችሁ ነው ማለት ነው። The next one is my classmates always study hard. You know, this is my present evidence. የኔ ክላስ ጓደኞች ሁሉ ጊዜ ነው የሚያነቡት። So ውጤታቸውን መሰረት በማድረግ ያልፋሉ ወይስ አያልፉም የሚለው ለመገመት I can use the be going to plus v1 structure. I can say they are going to pass the exam. You know, this is my prediction. የኔ prediction ነው ወይንም ግምቴ ነው። ምክንያቱም ምን ስላለኝ I have an evidence. That evidence is my classmates always study hard is my evidence. The next one is Edom has missed the bus. Edom has missed the bus. This is my present evidence. This is my first clause. My second clause or my prediction must be written in be going to plus v1 structure. So I can say she is going to be late. She is going to be late is my prediction. ምን ነው? She is going to be late prediction ነው ማለት ነው ወይንም ግምቴ ነው። The next one is look, my little sister is sad. ለምሳሌ ታናሽ እህት አለቻችሁ እንበል። ከዛ በጣም ከፍቷታል። ፊቷን ስትመለከቱ በጣም ከፍቷታል። ከዛ ምን ኔክስት ምን ሀፕን ሊያደርግ ይችላል የሚለው ለመገመት ምን መጠቀም እንችላለን ወይንም ትችላላችሁ ነው? be going to structure መጠቀም ትችላላችሁ። So you can say look, my little sister is sad. So what is going to happen? You can say she is going to cry. She is going to cry is my prediction. it is written in b going to plus v1 structure. What is the reason? Because I have an evidence that is my little sister is sad የሚለው ኤቪደንስ ነው። በዛ ኤቪደንስ መሰረት ስለ ወደፊቱ ለመገመት ከፈለኩኝ be going to plus v1 እንጠቀማለሁ። she is going to cry is my future prediction. The next one is the policeman is giving me a bad look. Let's assume there is a policeman in front of me. አንድ የሆነ ፖሊስ አለ ከፊት ለፊቴ። ከዛ በኋላ አስተያየቱ አላማረኝም። ስለዚህ the policeman is giving me a bad look is my present evidence. ምን ነው? it is my present evidence ነው። ስለዚህ ስለ ወደፊቱ መገመት ከፈለኩኝ ምን እላለሁ? he is going to arrest me. So he is going to arrest me is a prediction. It is written in b going to plus v1. So briefly, if you have a present evidence and then if you want to make a future prediction, it is appreciative to write in b going to plus v1 structure. በምን መጻፍ እንችላለን ነው? በb going to plus v1 structure መጻፍ እንችላለን። Now it is your turn. የእናንተ ተራ ነው። I am going to give you evidence. Evidence ልሰጣችሁ ነው። እናንተ b going to ተጠቅማችሁ ምን ልጽፉ ነው? You are going to write your future prediction by using b going to structure. So what is the first one? The first one is the driver has left the house early. Let's assume this is your present evidence. The driver has left the house early. እስኪ ፕሬዲክሽን ጻፉልኝ ለዚህ ኤቪደንስ ማንን ተጠቅማችሁ? be going to ተጠቅማችሁ ማለት ነው። The next one is I always listen to English podcasts. Let's assume this is your present evidence. I always listen to English podcasts. So make a prediction, but try to write your future predictions by using b going to plus v1. And the next one is my brother is wearing a 3-piece suit. This is your present evidence. My brother is wearing a 3-piece suit. This is your evidence. እስኪ ይሄንን ኤቪደንስ ተጠቅማችሁ ስለወደፊቱ ግምት እስኪ ገምቱ፣ prediction እስኪ ጻፉ። So that is all about today's lesson. If you have any question, don't forget to write it in the comment section below. So thank you very much indeed for listening to me. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do it right now. ከመሄደ በፊት ግን ላሞቹን ላሳያችሁ። You know, there are a lot of cows behind me. As you can see, they are grazing. They are grazing. ደስ ይላል አይደል? ላም እንደዚህ ማየት። እዛም አካባቢ ወይፈን ያየው መስሎኛል። ወይፈን yeah. So do you enjoy looking at them? Okay, thank you very much. ለዛሬ በቃና that is all about today's lesson. If you have any question, if you have anything that you would like to share with me, don't hesitate to let me know. See you soon.